have arrested Rajkumar Singh from Bangalore. Our team had gone there and with the help of Karnataka police, Bangalore police, we had apprehended him. And after getting the transit remand, so he was brought to Goa. Okay. So we have, and after the medical examination, the legal formalities, we have used him before the judge, and we have been given 5 days, 6 days police remand. So let me tell you a little background about the accused. So basically, he's from Punjab. Father is the agriculturist. He came to Goa in the month of 5th April 2016, and earlier worked in the security group, AP Group Securities at Pato. So he is actually first year BCom student. He studied BCom first year from Haryana. 11th up to 11th he studied regularly, and from 12th onwards and first year he did through open school. That is his background. So 5th April 2016 he came to Goa and worked in AP Group Securities. Then he joined the Force AP Group. Then he joined Force Security somewhere around 5th of May 2016, and he was
Force, no?
Force Security, FORCE, Force Security, around 5th of May 2016. Then he threatened her with a knife, and then he overpowered her with a hand, closed her mouth, took her inside the bathroom. From there, little she became too nervous and too, in a semi-conscious stage, So he then put her on the bed, okay. Then he tied her both hands and the legs, and after ensuring that now she will not shout and now she will be helpless totally, with both hands tied and both legs tied, okay. Then he demanded money. He demanded money. So she said, "Okay, whatever money you take, So he searched. The purse was there. He searched the purse, and he could get roughly around 4,000 something from the purse. But that was not enough for him. So he said, "I want more money." So she said, "I have got only the card. You can take this card." So he snatched the card. Then he forced her to give him the password number of that card.